I'm Raquel, and I'm the Belle of Bushwick. I just got a new MacBook Pro, 13-inch, and here it is. I have to tell you guys, and this I just got in the mail today. It's a cheetah print scrunchie I've been wanting for a while. I am so glad that scrunchies are back in. They're so cool, and honestly, even if they weren't in, I'd probably still have one. I just got my hair done though not too long ago, so not trying to put a scrunchie in just yet, but it is very cute. At least I think so. I am about to open up my MacBook Pro. Normally, I wouldn't do a video like this, but it seems to be a very popular video on YouTube, at least from what I've been seeing. People really like to watch unboxing of cool tech items, and the MacBook Pro happens to be one of them. I got this MacBook Pro Monday of this past week. So that shows you how much patience I have. I truly just really wanted to wait, if we're being honest, till I got my hair done. I just want to look fancy for you guys. I got it on a day that it was raining. I picked it up from, it was actually early. It was done early. I picked it up from the 5th Avenue station, and it was raining, like pouring that day. But this one is closest to my office, so I went and got it. You can see the bag is actually like ripped here, and it went through it. Like, I was walking home, I went to go get it, and I walked back, and thankfully it's wrapped in plastic, but the bag ripped a little bit, and then I was scared, so I was holding it like a baby on the way home from the train, like when I actually came home, and it definitely got rained on. I actually could have been using this computer all week, and I decided to wait to do this video on Saturday because yesterday was Valentine's Day, and I got my hair done before hanging out with Nick, but I don't know why I waited. Like, I don't know, you guys. I don't understand half the stuff I do. So I'm going to go ahead and open this. Again, I picked it up at the 5th Ave Apple Store on 5th Ave, obviously. But if you guys haven't gone to that store and you live in New York, go ahead. I guess the hype is worth it. I was waiting at the top of the stairs for a good minute before I realized that they weren't even going downstairs. These people standing there, they just wanted to take pictures. So anyways, oh my God, look at this. It's so pretty. This is what it looks like. The flowers that Nick got me for Valentine's Day. I really like lilies and peonies. I'm not really much of a rose person. I mean, they're pretty, but I prefer these, and they're so pretty. So I'm just gonna leave these here for the whole aesthetic effect. Oh wait, I didn't even need the scissors, so. There's these little tabs for everything, and I'm like trying to like yank it out. I can't really have nice things. I don't know why I got this. Oh my God. We got the charging cable, of course, and the block that goes with it. So that's amazing. And I'm pretty sure there's some instruction manuals under here. Actually, the instruction manual is in this thing I was just trying to throw out. Ugh, I'm really bad about that. Like, I really don't even use the manuals. I kind of try to figure it out. Probably why I can't have nice things, but I'm going to make it effort to actually make sure I know how to use this. But I know Apple products, and they all kind of basically the same. This box even is so pretty. Like, I don't want to get rid of the box. There's something really satisfying about taking stuff like this off of new products, but I'm going to clean that up later. Of course, I want to set it to English. I'm going to sign in with my Apple ID now. It sent me a verification code. Does anybody else, when they're typing in their password, type like they've never typed before so that you don't mess up? Hey, it's set up. So I'm going to change my background, rearrange the bottom icons on the toolbar to make it more suiting to me. I actually got Final Cut installed on this when I bought the laptop, so it should be on. I think she said something about having like a pin or something that I have to just like type in, or I don't know. I paid for it, so either way it's going to be on here and I can set it up. I actually haven't used Final Cut since high school. So I took like a journalism class, and it was like in 2008, 2009. I think it was the last year, my senior year, but it was so old then. And I've seen Final Cut since then, Final Cut Pro, and it's so much more like efficient, I guess. And I'm just kind of scared to try it out again because I've been using Adobe Premiere. But I'm really excited to use Final Cut again, and I'm really excited to have a MacBook. I actually haven't had a laptop in a while just because I didn't really have a need for one. I wasn't doing YouTube. I didn't have my blog yet. And the last laptop I had was a Dell laptop. It is so bad. It was like a pink, an all pink Dell laptop, and I got it when I was in high school with money from like one of my first paychecks from a job I had in high school. And it was so bad. It was such a bad computer, and it crashed all the time, and I just got rid of it. And now this is my first laptop since then. Like, I've been using Nick's laptop, and he has a Microsoft tablet, I think is what it is. I don't know. It's kind of cool. And it worked really well, and it works well with Adobe Premiere, but I'm really glad to have my own again, and I get to use Final Cut again. So I don't know if I'm going to edit this video using Final Cut or if I'm going to do it with Adobe Premiere, since it is Saturday and I upload tomorrow. So we will see, but I'm really excited to have this. That was my MacBook Pro unboxing, you guys. I'm so excited about using this. I mean, it cost a pretty penny. You guys know how expensive Apple products are. And the main reason I got a MacBook instead of like a Surface or like Microsoft is because it's going to be compatible with everything I have. I have a iPhone, so I can AirDrop photos instead of emailing. Like lately I've been emailing everything to myself, downloading. It's just too much. Like, it'd be easier to AirDrop it directly onto my timeline when I'm editing. Also, Final Cut is really, really good, and I haven't used it, like I said, since high school, but I'm sure I can figure it out. Adobe Premiere was pretty good, actually. I'm not going to say it was bad. I don't really want to compare the two until I start using Final Cut a little bit more, but it was good. It got the job done, and my videos looked good to me. I mean, I only have 2 so far, but I mean, they looked okay. So I cannot wait to start using this, and I cannot wait to start getting better at this. So I'm about to go get some content. Honestly, content creation is so much harder than you would think. I got my hair done this weekend, yesterday. Valentine's Day was yesterday, and Nick and I made lobster and steak, a salad, and some mashed potatoes, of course. And also, that is Sweet Life of Zach Cody on in the background because I have Disney Plus. But we're gonna go out to Dumbo, and he's gonna help me out. Gonna take some pictures. I actually have a suitcase full of clothing and shoes just to swap out. I'm gonna do like 3 or 4 outfit changes. I'm not sure how many I'm actually gonna do, but it's just a good day to get a whole bunch of footage or content in one day, and then just like post it throughout like the month. Like, just in case you guys are wondering, this is how most people do it. No one looks this good every day. And for the most part, I'm not out every day taking pictures because I can't. I have a full-time job, and it's just too much work to do. So you try to do it all in one day and get all the content you need so that you can schedule it and post it and all that good stuff. So we're gonna go out and do that now. Okay, so we're out here doing some content creation. Don't be fooled, it is freezing, and we actually have these hand warmers so that we can stay warm. This is my photographer. That's all my outfit changes. And I am dodging dog poop on the ground as we walk. We're in Dumbo. It's actually really pretty. There's a million other people out here. I'll show you guys. So I'm not the only one out here doing it, but I'm trying to get a couple of pictures so we can have it for a good like month of content. And it is freezing right now. I'm wearing like tights, and I don't know how much
much longer I can last, so maybe 2 more outfit changes. We will see.
Today, getting content creation. It's just basically like hanging out in Dumbo and then taking pictures and walking around and just enjoying it. New York is a lot of fun, so there's always something to do. But for today, I think I'm probably going to, I don't really know what we're gonna do. I know we want to get some food, so maybe go to Sage, since I am clearly obsessed with the place. And we have a lot of board games. We are a riot, you guys. I really want to play Uno and Mancala and Trouble and Beatnik and all of these games. And he actually got Monopoly, and it just takes so long. I don't like playing that game, but if you're gonna play it, I gotta devote like a day to it. So I guess we'll see what's going on today. I'm not really sure what we're gonna do, honestly, but it's gonna be fun regardless, you guys. And I cannot wait to start showing you videos I do with this. It is hopefully as much fun to watch as it is for me to film and edit. So let me know what you are into. Like, I would love to make more videos catered to like what you guys want to see. So, you know, keep me posted. Let me know. I don't know if that was like how most of these go. I mean, I've watched videos of MacBook unboxings and I guess I get the hype. I really like it too. And now I have a new MacBook Pro, so that's exciting. But I'm sorry if this is kind of boring, if it wasn't exactly what you expected. I'm still getting used to this. I'm a new YouTuber. I don't really know what I'm doing. And honestly, I feel like the main part of this video is the flowers because they are gorgeous. Anyways, if you guys like this video, you know what to do. Like, subscribe, comment. Follow if you want. Let me know what kind of videos you want to see. And I will see you next week with hopefully a cooler video.